Hey, what's up guys, it's me, Mr. Real so we're back from another video today. Today what I will be doing is turning off my light because it's just so annoying. How the heck did that get on? Oh gosh, I got both of them on now. Oh. Anyhow, today I'm going to do my fidget spinner haul, which may take a long time. Yeah, for a reason, it takes a long time. Finally my phone turns up and then it falls over again. So I'm going to go in colour-ish order. So this is the first fidget spinner I have ever had. Okay, first fidget spinner I've ever had. So yeah. First fidget spinner I've ever had is this shimmery purple-ish colour. It spins quite good, I guess. I don't know. From the side it looks really slow, but it's quite fast. I've had it for quite a long time now, so yeah. That is the first fidget spinner. So yeah, moving on to the next, which is which is a two-bladed one. It has beads in and it's pink. It's this fidget spinner. So it spins quite good. You can balance it. It looks really pretty, and I like it. I don't use it as much as my other fidget spinners, but it's still quite good. I have one that came in the same pack as this. It's not two-bladed, it's three-bladed, but it was only I think it was about £3 for both of them together, which I think personally is quite good. So moving on to that fidget spinner. It's like a cream colour. I can't show you it properly. It's like a cream colour. It's not white. It has beads in it. Spins really good. Balance it. From the side, it looks cool. From the bottom, it looks awesome. So yeah. Next is one of my favourite fidget spinners. It feels so good. It's my glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner. It is green and it doesn't have rings. Well, it does, but they're not the ordinary ones. Because if you can see in this one, has ordinary, but this one, it's different. I don't think you can pop it out, but if you can, that's cool. It's still a good fidget spinner. It's amazing at spinning. You can balance it because it has a dent on the inside of it, so yeah. And it's kind of like see-through, so you can see inside of it. So that's good. And then this is my last fidget spinner that I have. It's the same colour as this dress, kind of. I love it. It feels so amazing. It doesn't even make a noise, I don't really think. It's not as bad as the other ones. You can balance it, it's just amazing. So I'm going to do a quick recap of my fidget spinners. 1 second. One second, guys. I'll just be a second. Right, I got all my fidget spinners, and yeah. So this is my first one. Remember, you can balance it. Looks cool from the bottom. Second one that I showed you was this one, which is two-bladed. It's quite good in it. Yeah, it's amazing. Next fidget spinner I showed you was this one. This other beaded one. And then I showed you my glow-in-the-dark, aka see-through greenish fidget spinner. Oh, you can't see my face. Yeah. And then I showed you this one. So 1 minute, guys. I'm just going to get you into a better position so you can see them all rounded up. 1 minute. Next on the fidget spinners. Hope you can see. Oh, can you? eventually didn't. So thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for 6 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you for everything that you've done, guys. Thank you again. No reason. Bye.